So students, we will start with revision of topic ratio and proportion. So let us start with the basic definition of ratio. A is to B. This we read as A is to B or A upon B or A divided by B. So A ratio B means A upon B or A is to B. A ratio B means A is to B. A is to B is same as A upon B. A upon B is same as A divided by B. So this is the basic definition of ratio. So whenever you will come across A is to B, with the same expression A is to B, you can write A upon B or you can write A divided by B. Then it comes proportion. There are four numbers A, B, C and D. There are four numbers A, B, C, D. We say that A, B, C, D, four numbers are in proportion. They are in proportion. So four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. Four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion when A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Now go by the basic definition of ratio. A ratio B means A upon B. C ratio D means C upon D. So four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion when A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Now A ratio B means A upon B. C ratio D means C upon D. Now we have equality. Whenever we have equality, we cross multiply. So A into D is equal to B into C. A into D is equal to B into C. So four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. Four number A, B, C, D. There are four numbers. They are in proportion when A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. So A ratio B means A upon B is equal to C upon D. Now we have equality of two fractions or equality of two numbers, rational numbers, numerator upon denominator. So whenever you will get this form, numerator upon denominator is equal to numerator upon denominator, and when we have equality between them, we cross multiply. So A into D is equal to B into C, correct? Now in this four number A, B, C, D, what is the position of A and D? In four number A, B, C, D, the position of A and D, they are at the extreme. The four numbers A, B, C, D, in A, B, C, D, the A and D, they are at the extreme. What is the position of A, B, C, D in these four number? A and D, they are at extreme side. And B and C, they are at mean side. The position of B and C is mean side, and the position of A and D are at extreme side. A and D, they are at extreme. B and C, they are in mean. So we say that four number A, B, C, D are in proportion when A into D is equal to B into C. A into D is equal to B into C. So that means A into D means product, multiplication means product. So product of A and D are extreme value. So product of extreme is equal to, again cross means multiplication. So product of extreme, B and C are mean. So product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. Then we say that four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion. So four number A, B, C, D are in proportion when product of extreme A into D is equal to B into C. A and D, they are at extreme side. So we say that product of extreme is equal to product of means. Is it clear? So A, B, C, D are four number. A, B, C, D are four number. They are in proportion when product of extreme is equal to product of means. So first we have seen the definition of A ratio B. A ratio B means A upon B or A divided by B. A is to B. A is to B means A upon B. A ratio B means A is to B or A upon B. So then second definition we have seen A, B, C, D are four number. They are in proportion. If they are in proportion, then which condition holds true? That product of extreme A into D is equal to B into C. So when four numbers are given in proportion, then which condition holds true? A into D is equal to B into C. So 1 mark MC can be asked. Four numbers are given in proportion, then which of the condition holds true? A, B, C, D, four numbers are there. A and D are extreme side, B and C are mean side. So product of extreme is equal to product of means. A into D is equal to B into C. Then four numbers are in proportion. In case you want to show that the four numbers are in proportion, so what I will do simply, I will find product of extreme A into D. Then I will find product of means B into C. We will find product of extreme A into D. We will find product of means B into C. And if product of extreme A into D is equal to product of means B into C, both the values are equal. A into D is equal to B into C. If product of extreme is equal to product of means, then four numbers are in proportion. And if it is already given in proportion, that the four numbers are in proportion, then directly we can write this result, that A into D is equal to B into C. Clear? Let us go ahead in this. So four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion when product of extreme is equal to product of means. So product of extreme is equal to product of means, then four numbers are in proportion. Or if it is given four number A, B, C, D are in proportion, then product of extreme is equal to product of means. Product of extreme is equal to product of means. Then we will see the results regarding proportion. We will see the results regarding proportion. See the results regarding proportion. Okay. We have seen proportion. Now let us take continued proportion. Let us take continued proportion. Let us take continued proportion. Continued proportion means the ratio is continuous. The ratio is continuous. For example, A, continued proportion means the ratio is continuous. Continued proportion means the ratio is continuous. A, B, C. There are three numbers A, B, C. There are three numbers A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, and C. There are three numbers A, B, C. There are three numbers A, B, C. They are in continued proportion. A, B, C are three numbers. They are in continued proportion. A, B, C are three numbers, and it is given that they are in continued proportion. They are in continued proportion. A, B, C are three numbers. A, B, C. A, B, C are three numbers. They are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. A, B, C are three numbers. They are in continued proportion. Continued proportion means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. ABC three numbers are in continued proportion. Continued proportion means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. Now go by the definition of ratio. A ratio B means A upon B. B ratio C means B upon C. Now there is equality, so we cross multiply. You will get A into C is equal to B into B. So you will get A into C AC is equal to B square, or you will get B square is equal to AC. So when three numbers ABC are in continued proportion, then we have B square is equal to AC. We have B square is equal to AC. So three numbers ABC are in continued proportion, then which condition holds true? That square of middle term, square of mean is equal to product of extreme. In ABC, A and C are at extreme. So square of mean is equal to product of extreme. Or you can say three numbers ABC are in continued proportion, then square of middle term, that is B square, is equal to product of extreme, A into C. B square is equal to AC. So this is the definition of continued proportion of three numbers. If three numbers ABC are in continued proportion, then B square is equal to AC. Then which condition holds true? B square is equal to AC. Let us take four number. A, B, C, D. They are in continued proportion. They are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. Four numbers. We have already seen proportion. If they are in proportion, then product of extreme A into D is equal to B into C. We will understand what do you mean by continued proportion. Let us take one more number, five numbers. A, B, C, D, E. These five numbers are in continued proportion. That means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C is equal to C ratio D is equal to D ratio E. Is it clear? So five numbers A, B, C, D, E, they are in continued proportion, means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C is equal to C ratio D is equal to D ratio E. Now A ratio B means A upon B, B ratio C means B upon C, C ratio D means C upon D, D ratio E means D upon E. So this condition holds true. If five numbers A, B, C, D, E, they are in continued proportion, then A ratio B is equal to B ratio C is equal to C ratio D is equal to D ratio E. That means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C is equal to C ratio D is equal to D ratio E. Then this condition holds true. Is it clear? So whenever numbers are given in continued proportion, without jumping any number, we take the ratios. Without jumping any number, we take the ratios. Now sometimes show that question comes in the exam, that three numbers are in continued proportion, A, B, C are in continued proportion. ABC are in continued proportion. Then how to solve the problem? Show that part. Show that. It is already given that ABC are in continued proportion. It is given. ABC are in continued proportion. Then show that. So whenever you are coming across this type of problem, that three numbers ABC are given in continued proportion, then go by the basic definition. ABC are in continued proportion, that means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C, correct? So A upon B is equal to B upon C, correct? Then from this onwards, there is diversion. There are two methods. We go by the basic definition. ABC are given in continued proportion. So A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. A upon B is equal to B upon C. Then from this, there are two methods. One is by definition, or you can say direct method. Other is K method. One is direct method, other is K method. In direct method, what we do? After this, writing this step, cross multiply, what you will get? You will get in direct method, we write B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. In K method, what we do? We take each ratio, since both the ratios are equal, so both the ratio will be equal to one common number K. A upon B is equal to B upon C. Both the ratios are equal, so I will take one common number K. In K method I am talking. A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. Correct? Or not? So both the ratios are equal. Means both the ratios is equal to one common number K. So let us see K method. One is direct method. This we are talking about continued proportion. Three numbers are given in continued proportion. Then show that how to handle those type of problems. Show that where you are given that three numbers are in continued proportion. Direct method, we write B square is equal to C. B square is equal to AC. This is direct method. Then what we do in K method, we take each ratio. A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. Both the ratios are equal, so both the ratios is equal to common number K. This is common number K. So both the ratios is equal to K. A upon B is equal to K. B upon C is equal to K. Correct? A upon B is equal to K. B upon C is equal to K. So cross multiply. A is equal to BK. Cross multiply. A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK. A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK. Put the value of B in this. So you will get A is equal to B is my CK into K. So A is equal to Ck square. A is equal to Ck square. And B is equal to Ck. B is equal to Ck. Correct? What is K method? A ratio B is equal to B ratio C is equal to K. A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to K. Both the ratios is equal to common number K. So A upon B is equal to K, B upon C is equal to K. So cross multiply, A is equal to BK, B is equal to CK. Correct? Now replace the value of B as CK in this. So you will get A is equal to CK square, B is equal to CK. So what you will do after this step, whichever question is there, show that part. You will consider left hand side, and in that left hand side you are going to replace A. You are going to replace A by CK square. A by CK square and B by CK. You are going to replace left hand side and right hand side both. A, you are going to replace A by CK square, B by CK, and solve that and show that left hand side and right hand side have same value. Correct? Which part you are going to replace? Only A and B. C you will not replace. A by CK square, B by CK, and simplify left hand side, simplify right hand side, and show that both have same value. Then left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Now what we do in direct method? In direct method, we are going to replace B square value by AC. We are going to replace B square value by AC. So we are not going to replace A and C. We will only replace B square wherever B square is there. For example, B power 4 is there. Then B power 4 I can write B square square. Law of indices, power raised to power multiply the power. So if you have come across B power 4, then B power 4 you will write B square square. Then this value B square you are going to replace by AC. Then AC square, A square, C square. Correct? If you have B power 6, then what you will write? B power 6, B power 2 power 3, B power 2 power 3. For example, here B power 6. What you will write? B power 6. We know the value of B square. So I will write B power 2 power 3. Power raised to power multiply the power. Then B square value by AC. AC cube. That will be A cube C cube. So B raised to 6 will be replaced by A cube C cube. Is it clear? So in continued proportion problem, show that part. There are two methods. One is direct, other is K method. In direct method, we replace B square by AC, and in K method, we will replace A by BK and B by CK. When you put the value of B, you will get, we are going to replace A by, so in continued proportion, direct method, B square you will replace by AC and A by CK square and B by CK. Correct? Followed? So you are going to replace, this is K method. In K method you are going to replace A by CK square, B by CK, and simplify left hand side, right hand side. You will get the answer. So let us solve the problem based on this. Now you are given, then it comes mean proportion. First we have seen proportion. Now let us see mean proportion. What do you mean by mean proportion? Mean proportion. There are three numbers A, B, C. Then B is the mean value. B is the mean value. Mean value lies between extreme values. And A and C are extreme value. A and C are extreme value. Correct? So when you want to find mean value, then ABC, they are in continued proportion. A, B, C, they are in continued proportion. When three numbers are given, they are in continued proportion. So for continued proportion, what we use? Three numbers are given, find the mean value. So three numbers are given, so A, B, C are in continued proportion, means A ratio B is equal to B ratio C. So A upon B is equal to B upon C. Cross multiply, you will get B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. So square of mean is equal to product of extreme. B square is equal to AC. So the definition of continued proportion of three number and mean value of three numbers. The result is same. B square is equal to AC. So condition is same, whether three numbers are in continued proportion or whether you want to find mean value of three numbers. The condition is B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC must hold true. Let us see. 2x, 9 and 18. 2x, 9 and 18. It is given that they are in continued proportion. It is given they are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. Find the value of x. Three numbers 2x, 9 and 18, they are given in continued proportion. Find the value of x. So three numbers are in continued proportion. This is my A, this is my B, this is my C. If three numbers are in continued proportion, then which condition holds? B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. So what is my B? Middle term, that is 9 square is equal to AC 2x into 18. 9 square 81 is 2 into 18. 2 into x into 18. So 81 upon 2 and 18 are there in the numerator on other side. They will come in the denominator. 2 into 18. No need to multiply. So now you can cancel. 9 2s are 18. 9 9s are 81. Common number is 9. 9 9s are 81. 2 9s are 18. So you will get 9 upon 4 is equal to x. What is x? 9 upon 4. You can write this in mixed fraction. Divide 9 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 2, 8, 1. So this I can write 2 is to 1 upon 4. What I can write? 2 is to 1 upon 4. So this is the value of x. So you are given three numbers. They are in continued proportion. Find the value of x. So three numbers are in continued proportion. Then b square is equal to AC, where b is middle number. B square is equal to AC. Use this equation. B square is equal to AC. Solve this. You will get the value of x. You will get the value of x. Let us take one more question. X2, 10 and y. X2, 10 and y. They are in continued proportion. They are given in continued proportion. They are given in continued proportion. Now for three numbers, we take b square is equal to AC. If there are more than three numbers, we go by the definition of continued proportion. There are four numbers x, 2, 10, y. They are in continued proportion. So we go by the definition x ratio 2 is equal to 2 ratio 10 is equal to 10 ratio y by basic definition. x ratio 2 is equal to 2 ratio 10 is equal to 10 ratio y. X ratio 2 means x upon 2. 2 ratio 10 means 2 upon 10. 10 ratio y means 10 upon y. Correct? Followed? So this I can write 1 upon 5. So x upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon y. Correct? So let us take two ratios where one of the ratio has both numerator and denominator as number without unknown value. X and y are unknown. So in this 1 upon 5 there is no unknown. So I will take first these two ratios. X upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 5. There is equality, so cross multiply. X is equal to 2 upon 5. 2 will go up. So x is equal to divide 2 by 5. 0.4. Yes. X value is 0.4. Got it? Now let us take these two ratios. 1 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon y. 1 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon y. So cross multiply, y will go up. Y will go up. So 10 1 upon 5. Here 1 upon 5 is equal to 10 upon y. So 5 will go up, 10 into 5, y into 1 y, 5 into 10 5. So y is equal to 5 tens are 50. So x value is 0.4 and y value is 50. So in this case we are given 4 number in continued proportion. So when there are 3 number in continued proportion, directly we can take b square is equal to ac and solve the equation. But when there are 4 numbers, 5 numbers, then we go by the basic definition of continued proportion. X ratio 2 is equal to 2 ratio 10 is equal to 10 ratio y. X ratio 2 means x upon 2. 2 ratio 10 means 2 upon 10 is equal to 10 ratio y means 10 upon y. 10 upon y. And we solve this equation. So 4 numbers we are given in continued proportion. 4 numbers are given in continued proportion. So we have seen the definition of proportion, continued proportion, mean proportion. Now let us find the third proportion and fourth proportion problem. There are 3 numbers, a minus b and a square minus b square.